Welcome back to another Sunday reset routine. Today we're going to be doing some more moving prep. We are going to be selling stuff. I have a little bit of cleaning motivation, so it's going to be a quick and easy little video. Hope you enjoy this one, and let's get started. You guys will hear me say that we're moving or preparing to move a lot from here on out until we get to where we're going. But in case you're new here, we are moving. The movers are coming in another week or so. And when the movers come, they do literally everything. We don't pack one thing except for our suitcases that we're bringing with us. So there's not much I can do in the weeks leading up to our move besides personal things like declutter, sell some items, but make sure all of our bedding and everything is clean before they get here, and to make sure that all of our documentation is in order and organized and ready to go. That's really the only thing that I can do right now. I'm gonna try my best to film as much as I can when we start packing, and when the movers get here, I'll try to get some footage of that for you guys. Right now, I am gonna be washing our bedding. I'm in the guest bedroom right now. I'm gonna take the sheets off and wash those along with the sheets from my bed. And then once all of the bedding from the guest bedroom is clean, I'm gonna put those in some vacuum sealed bags because we're not gonna have any guests before the movers come. I did wash the sheets after my dad left a couple weeks ago, and I recently washed the blankets, so I'm not going to rewash the blankets, but I am going to throw the sheets in one last time before I put them in the vacuum sealed bags.
Didn't know the love was war. Then I saw you coming at me. Somebody that I used to know. Somehow you're my enemy. I don't wanna fight no more. Origami on the floor, breaking stuff that's so sentimental. Push and pull is all we do. Life is hollow.
While the sheets are washing, I'm going to go ahead and fold the clothes that we're hanging to dry, as well as the clothes that are in this laundry basket.
Without you, without you, without you. Left hand feels so heavy, anchored to your memory. Ravage through my brain, oh, loose in the china shop. It goes non-stop. I don't wanna fight no more. Origami on the floor, breaking stuff that's so sentimental. Push and pull is all we do. Life is hollow without you. Ooh.
the sheets are done in the washing machine, I'm going to switch those over to the dryer. I already have a load of clean clothes that are just finished in the dryer, so I'm going to get those taken care of. Alright, so somebody's coming to pick up our couch that we are selling today, so I'm just going to fluff up the pillows, make sure there's nothing underneath the cushions, and then kind of just refresh the couch before they come and pick it up.
Your love is bright as ever, even in the shadows. Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out. Your love is bright as ever, even in the shadows. You better kiss me before the time is run out. Forever, ooh, baby, daylight's wasting. You better kiss me before the time is run out.
just the guest bedroom sheets I'm folding up, and I'm just gonna add these to the vacuum bags. Alright, so they came and picked up the couch. They actually ended up buying the coffee table and the beanbag from us as well. Like I told you guys in the other video, we can't bring everything with us to Thailand because we have a weight limit, and we've had that couch for about 9 years. It's just getting old, and I didn't want it to sit in a hot storage unit for 3 years, so we will just replace that stuff when we get back. Once we clear out the closet in here, this will probably serve as our no pack zone or our safe room. If you guys are military, you know what I'm talking about. It's pretty much any kind of cleared out space or closet in your house where you don't want the movers to touch. So all of your suitcases and anything that the movers aren't packing will go in that room or closet or space in your house. So all of our luggage will go in here, and anything that we're bringing with us on the plane. I'm just putting this chair and these little ottomans in here just for the kids for this last week because they still watch TV and play games in here. So I have to have something in here, but they are going to be packing up that furniture. So I've been wanting to level up some of my travel things, especially my cosmetic case and my toiletry bag. I've been looking at this one for months and I finally decided to get it. I'm so glad I did. It comes with its own little dust bag, and as soon as I pulled it out, I was like, I'm getting back on the website and getting the smaller version because this is the softest leather. It feels so luxurious. It looks so much more luxurious in person. It's definitely high quality and it's more me, so that's why I'm going to be ordering the mini version, and I'll show you guys that when that comes in. It also comes with this removable organizer, and this is included in all of their little makeup vanity cases, which I love because they're supposed to be super easy to clean. And y'all, I wish I can say this is sponsored, but it's definitely not. I just wanted to show you guys in case you guys are doing some traveling this summer. So this just showed up at my door as I was about to upload this video, so I got some quick footage to show you guys the mini version of the vanity case, and it's in the same color espresso. So I'm gonna see how much of my everyday makeup fits into this one. So now I have one for makeup and one for toiletries. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on the next one.